Welcome to Quest 18, Arbor. Let's explore the features and tonality this set has to offer. Inspired by the rich natural history of England's ancient woodlands, this set explores a range of tones from soft, dappled light filtered through the canopy to deep greens of fern leaves and contrasting patches of bluebells. This set includes 3 color presets, 3 tone mask presets, 1 subject pop tool, and 1 creative profile. AQ18-1, warm russet shadows and prominent alder green tones with faded blues and saturated reds. AQ18-2, dark desaturated greens and teal tone blues paired with neutral skin tones. AQ18-3, amber overtones, distinct fern greens, and pale reds with a soft matte finish. The Arbor creative profile adds richness and depth to the image along with a warm nectar overtone. Subject Pop uses AI-driven subject recognition to selectively darken the background, emphasizing the focal point of your image. And lastly, further dial in your edit using the tone mask presets designed to layer over the main presets.